Hey everyone! Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and if you're looking to switch things up this year, I've got a fantastic recipe for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a small whole turkey with a Mediterranean twist. It's flavorful, unique, and will definitely impress your guests. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. For our Mediterranean turkey, you'll need a small whole turkey, around 10 to 12 pounds, olive oil, garlic cloves, fresh rosemary, thyme, oregano, lemon, salt, black pepper, and a bit of white wine. Simple, right? Start by preheating your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating up, let's prep the turkey. Make sure your turkey is thawed and patted dry with paper towels. This will help the skin get nice and crispy. Now let's make our marinade. In a bowl, mix together a half cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and 3 minced garlic cloves. Add in a tablespoon each of chopped fresh rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. Give it a good stir. Next, place your turkey on a roasting rack in a large roasting pan. Using a brush or your hands, generously coat the turkey with the marinade, making sure to get it under the skin and inside the cavity for maximum flavor. Don't be shy with the marinade. Cut another lemon into quarters and place it inside the turkey's cavity along with a few sprigs of rosemary and thyme. This will infuse the turkey with even more Mediterranean flavors as it cooks. Now let's tie the legs together with some kitchen twine to ensure even cooking. Pour about a cup of white wine into the bottom of the roasting pan. This will keep the turkey moist and add a subtle depth of flavor. Place your turkey in the preheated oven and roast for about 3 to 3.5 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to baste the turkey with the pan juices every 30 minutes or so to keep it juicy and flavorful. While the turkey is roasting, you can prepare some Mediterranean-inspired side dishes like roasted vegetables, couscous, or a fresh Greek salad. These will complement the turkey perfectly and complete your Thanksgiving feast. Once the turkey is done, let it rest for about 20 minutes before carving. This allows the juices to redistribute and makes for a more succulent turkey. And there you have it! A delicious Mediterranean turkey that's sure to be the star of your Thanksgiving table. Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Happy Thanksgiving and happy cooking!